Hey guys, it's me, Kara, and I finally have for you an entire box variation of the Boxyluxe. It was unveiled earlier today. This was opened by an influencer, and I don't have a variation number on this, but I'm just going to tell you exactly what was in the box, and also the theme. The theme for this is all access. And I think there's something behind that, because if you look at the BoxyCharm blog, it says BoxyCharm will now be all access for all charmers. So it's kind of hinting at something, maybe a new program, but I can't verify that. Okay, so I previously showed you in a previous spoiler a variation that BoxyCharm showed us, and it was a box that had about 5 items in it. This is the one that had the water bottle and the sponge gel, which is considered one item, and the IGK thing, and the Violet Voss palette, and the pineapple serum, and the Sutra curling iron. However, what I'm showing you today, right now, is an entirely different version. So, this version that we're looking at today, the box is worth $327, and it has 8 items in it. So I believe the 327 exceeds what they even promised us that was going to be in the box. So let's just take a look at it. So the first item, the big item we all want to know, is the palette, of course. And this one, in this version, was the Violet Voss, the Essentials palette. It is a full-size palette. I know there was some speculation. It could be a mini. The minis are worth $20. But no, this is a full-size palette, and the value is $29. So if this photo is a little blurry, I apologize. However, this is a new release, and no other photos could be found of this palette on the internet. So, new palette, Violet Voss Essentials. Next item is the Hank and Henry Blickety Black eyeliner, and this was definitely in the shade black, and this one had a value of $20. And then in this box was also the Tarte Park Ave Princess Chisel palette, and that one has a value of $45. And next I saw the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm for your hair, and that has a value of $29. If you like my video so far, please hit like. I'd appreciate it. Okay, let's keep going. See, look, I'm making it short. I'm making this whole video short. Okay, next up we have the Sutra Clipless Curling Iron. It does come with a black little travel bag, and the diameter works out to a tiny bit over 1.25 inch for the barrel, and that has a value of $65. And then an item we're all interested in. What could it be? Could it be the Sunday Riley? Could it be the pineapple serum? Well, in this case, it was the Sunday Riley Tidal Cream. And the best news I can share with you right now is that it is the full size. It is the 1.7 ounce. It is worth $65. So the Sutra Clipless Curling Iron, $65. The Sunday Riley, $65. Obviously, this has proven itself to be a good value because the whole box costs you $50. Okay, next up is going to be the Dr. Brandt Sleeping Mask, and that has a value of $52, and that mask is going to be both in the BoxyCharm regular box and also in the Boxyluxe. And I believe it was confirmed that everyone for Boxyluxe is getting the Dr. Brandt sleep mask. That's $52. We'll be getting it in the tube. As you can see, it is sold in stores, Ulta, Sephora, in a jar, but it's the same weight and it's in a tube. Okay, last item. This is the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick. It's one of my favorite formulas, and in my previous spoiler, I was actually wearing it. I was wearing it after breakfast to show you guys how it can actually survive through a meal. It is wonderful. The shade that this was in this box was the Patina Shimmer. This has a value of $22. So if you add it all up, it's $327, which is a great value once again for $50. If you want to sign up for BoxyCharm, I will have a link in my description box below. Please hit the like button because I am a small YouTuber and every little like helps. Comment down below what you think about this box, what you're hoping to get in your box, which palette in specific are you hoping to get, and I will have at the very end of the video a link to my playlist for my spoilers so you can see my other spoilers for the Boxyluxe, which goes into more detail on the products. But again, in this video, I just wanted to tell you what was in this box. This is the first confirmed actual box that is out there. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all are having a good night. See you guys at the next video. Bye!